ratio and proportion. Now we are going to move on the next chapter, ratio. First we must know the definition of ratio. The comparison by division is called the ratio. The comparison by division is called the ratio. We compare the two quantities in terms how many times, then this comparison known as the ratio. We compare the two quantities, that means two values, two quantities in terms how many times, then this comparison is known as the ratio. So the comparison is known as the what? Ratio. So comparison by division is called ratio. So ratio is denoted by using a symbol what? Ratio means you have to write like this. Okay, this is what? This is a symbol of ratio. And Anu weight is 20 kilogram and a father weight is 60 kilogram. We say Anu's father's weight and Anu's weight. We have to compare the two weights. So first we have to write, we have to find out the ratio of Anu's father's weight and Anu's weight. The 60 divided by 20. So what you're going to do is 60 is Anu's father's weight, and Anu's weight is 20 kilogram. This is 60 kilogram is Anu's father weight and Anu's weight is 20 kilogram. So we have to compare the what? Both of the person's weight. So 60 divided by 20, so you have to cancel the 0. 6 divided by 2. 6 is divided by 2, that means 6 is divided by 2 and 2 is divided by 2. Okay, so you can get 6 is divided by 2, you can get 3, and 2 is divided by 2, you can get 1. So what is the ratio? 3 divided by 1. So I told you comparison by division. So that is what the division, 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. You can find out the ratio of the both persons weight. Okay, next point, for comparison by ratio, the two quantity must be in the same unit. If they are not, they must be expressed in the same unit before the ratio is taken. That means, for example, if the unit is centimeter, means we have to compare the two quantities. One is quantity is nothing but this is called as a what is this? Two measurements, otherwise we can call two quantities, two numbers, or what are the measurements you have taken. For example, it is a gram or kilogram, a centimeter or meter or kilometer, whatever it may be, or kilogram. So this is the kilogram, because to 60 kilogram, this is 60 kilogram, another one is 20 kilogram. We have compared. Here we have compared the centimeter, 15 centimeter and what? 10 centimeters. So length of a room, for example, is saying length of room is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Example is given. This is the second example. This is example 1. This is example 2. That means before you have taken the what? Ratio. So the unit must be similar. The units must be same. If they are not the same unit, you have to convert into the same unit. Then you have to take the ratio. That is the meaning of the sentence. So length of room is 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeters. So length of the room to the breadth of the room. So length of the room is 15 divided by breadth of the room, 15 divided by 10. So 15 divided by 10 means what you are going to do? 15 divided by 10. So both numbers are simplified, are divided by 5. This number is, that is numerator is divided by 5 and the denominator is also divided by 5. This is the length and this is the breadth. So 15 divided by 5 you can get 3, and 10 divided by 5 you can get 10 is divided by 5, you can get what? 2. So 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. This is what comparison by division is called as ratio. So you can now we are going to make it as a ratio form. 3 is to 2. This is the ratio form. So the answer is 3 is to 2. I think so you understand the basic concept of ratios.